transmission. Incoming transmission.
This is a simple presentation about a mission-critical tool. Let us inquire into the SQL phenomenon. SQL database is a powerful tool that helps store, organize, and retrieve data. It's like a magical vault where all the treasure, your data, is safely kept and can be accessed anytime. Think of an SQL database like a high-tech fortress that holds all your information in neat, well-structured tables. It's like an ultra-organized filing cabinet where everything has its place. SQL databases are fast, organized, and reliable. They let you find exactly what you need quickly and easily, and have been trusted by companies for decades to store critical data. SQL databases store data in tables, rows for records, and columns for details. Want to find all users' names org? It's as easy as asking the database to search through the rows. Interacting with an SQL database is simple. Use commands like select to find data, insert to add new info, and delete to remove records, just like casting a spell. SQL databases power everything. Whether it's an online store, a video game leaderboard, or a hospital's patient records. SQL databases are behind the scenes, keeping everything running smoothly. You don't need to be a coding expert to use SQL databases. They're easy to learn and incredibly useful. Now that we've explored what SQL databases are and how they power the world, let's take a closer look at how you can choose the right type of SQL setup for your needs. General SQL database advantages. Organizes data in tables, easy to understand like spreadsheets. Allows powerful data queries using simple commands. Supports data integrity, reliability, and security. Widely used in business, healthcare, gaming, etc. Works great with other tools and programming languages. Advantages of SQL on a virtual machine. Full control over the environment. Can install any SQL server version or configuration. Great for legacy apps or specific customization needs. Ideal if you want to manage OS, patches, and backups yourself. Advantages of Azure SQL Database. Fully managed by Microsoft, no need to manage servers. Automatically handles backups, updates, scaling. Built-in high availability and disaster recovery. Great for modern cloud apps and fast deployment. Pay-as-you-go pricing and easy to scale up, down. Advantages of Azure SQL Managed Instance. Combines the flexibility of VMs with the management of Azure SQL Database. Supports full SQL Server features such as SQL Agent and linked servers. Easier migration from on-prem SQL Server. Automatic updates, backups, and security managed by Azure. Best for moving existing workloads without rewriting code. Whether you need full control with a virtual machine, a fully managed experience with Azure SQL Database, or something in between with Azure SQL Managed Instance, a SQL database gives you the tools to store, organize, and access data efficiently. The best choice depends on your project needs, but with SQL, you're always building on a powerful foundation. Remember,
everything begins with choice.
And now, you're officially SQL Database Cool.
Data power is now in your hands. You did it!
And according to the last archaeological discovery, pieces and bits have been recovered from Azure SQL database. We can now resurrect trees and grow hair.
In vaults of light, where data sleeps, SQL flows where silence keeps. Be it VM, cloud or managed stream, you now command the data dream. Query with purpose, select with grace. In SQL's realm, You found your place.
Thank you for watching.